What's up everyone, my name's Jesse and welcome to my channel. Today I'm finna walk you through replacing the alternator in a 2005 Honda Accord with a 2.4 liter engine. Let's get started. First, disconnect the negative terminal off the battery using a 10mm socket and wrench. This step is critical for safety reasons, you feel me? Ain't nobody trying to get electrocuted or damage the electrical system. Now, I'll be removing the battery and replacing it with a new fully charged one, as this one is still under warranty. If yours isn't, then I recommend you taking the battery to your local auto parts store to have it fully charged for free. And if you pay, then you just got played. Using a 14mm wrench, turn the tensioner bolt clockwise to release the tension on the belt and loosen it. If your wrench isn't long enough, then you can use a larger size wrench for more leverage, like I did. Next, unplug the connector attached to the alternator. And use a 10mm wrench to remove the bolt from the main power wire. There are three 12mm bolts securing the alternator, one on top and two in the bottom. Use a socket and ratchet to remove these bolts and set them aside. Carefully remove the alternator out of its position, and well, I found out it'll be easier to remove the two 12mm power steering bolts to get better access. Yeah, it looks like I have to loosen the bolts. Where is it mounted on? I think it's just two bolts. I think it's just that one. The one over here. Okay. There. Now that the alternator is out, it's time to install the new one in its place and secure it with the mounting bolts. Make sure all the electrical connections are snug and tight. Rotate the tensioner pulley again to slide the belt back onto the pulley. Double check the belt alignment on all the pulleys. And you can pause this video if you need to refer to a belt diagram. I got you guys. Finally, reconnect the negative terminal off the battery to complete the installation. And there you have it! You have successfully replaced the alternator in your Honda Accord. And don't forget to return the old alternator to where you bought it to get your core charge back. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late!
No battery light?